For question number 5. For question number 5, remember the first step. Okay. Step number 1. Of, whenever the term of comes, remember it means multiplication. Multiplication. Don't get confused. Okay, I'll just give a revision of last class what I taught you yesterday. If it comes like 2 into 4 by 7 like this, कुछ नहीं करना है. ऊपर वाला ब्लॉक है. ऊपर वाला ब्लॉक है 2 into 4 2 into 4. सिर्फ उसे ही मल्टीप्लाई करना है. Put the 7 down like this. Second part. If the question comes like this, 3 2 by 7, what you need to do? First, you need to solve which part? Mixed fraction part. It will become what? 7 into 3, 21 plus 2, 23 by 7. And then you need to do the normal multiplication, 2 into 23 by 7. Is it clear till here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubts you are having? On any issues?
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay. Now, the 15 participants. Okay, let's go. Question number 1. 1 by 2 of 24 and 46. Remember, there are two questions. First question is 24 and second question is 46. So first question, 1 by 2 of 24. The first step will be like this. Step number 1. Noted?
Yes, sir.
Second step, what you need to do, read? 1 by 2, 1 into.
So first answer is 12.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
second
one
step.
First is 12 and second is 23.
Yeah. And the answer will be 24 by 2. Then you need, after 25 by 2,
The
you need to
reduction.
run one
So
more step.
it will be 40.
Just wait. You need to do one more step from here. Is it clear?
Reduction.
The step number 1 and step number 2?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, I'm writing with the blue pen.
Good afternoon, sir.
Number 3. Yeah, good afternoon. What you need to do, 24 and 2. देखो वो कौन से number से divide हो रहे दोनों. So it is dividing by 2.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon.
So the answer will be 12 by 1 equals to 12.
Yeah.
Sir, have you made the game?
12 by 1. No, we need to complete this chapter because I asked to Rakhi. She said कि आपको chapter complete करना पड़ेगा. Then we'll have, one of the other day we'll have it in the next week. Promise. First question clear, beta?
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Second question, same thing. 46 का करना है. 1 by 2 of 46. This is step number 1. Clear? Step number 2. 1 into 46 by 2. Step number 3.
And what is the page number?
Page number, just a minute, 37.
37.
Yeah. So 46 by 2. Then identify the number. First, कभी भी देखना कि 2 से divide होते हैं क्या दोनों numbers. अगर 2 से divide होते हैं तो reduce to smallest form. It will be 21 by. Sorry.
So the answer will be 23.
23 by 23.
Only 23.
Okay. Any issues? Any doubt?
No, sir.
क्या आप क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, क्वेश्चन नंबर ये आप कर सकते हैं जिसको मैं सर्कल्स कर रहा हूँ ब्लैक से.
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Tell the answer.
What?
Here,
Which?
sir, that which you are circling.
Yes, sir, we can.
Yeah. So boys.
Have you completed exercise 2.1?
Yeah. What you said?
Sir, have you completed exercise 2.1?
Yeah, I completed. I posted the recording there in the YouTube channel. You can go to my YouTube channel. You can find it there. Okay, let's play a competition between boys and girls. Let's play a competition between boys and girls. My condition is,
Okay,
if
sir.
I'm writing with red pen, that question need to be solved by boys. And if I'm writing on the question with the blue pen, it need to be solved by the. It need to be solved by the whom?
Girls.
Girls. Okay, ready for the question?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Start. Let's see. And you need to answer in the chat box. I'm counting. I'm starting the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4.
So first answer is 16.
37.
Sir,
B?
12. Sir, 12.
C. For the C, the answer was 3 by 4 of 16. It will be
It will be 12.
12. 12.
It will be 12.
48 by 12. It will be 12. Yeah, correct. Here it will be
X will
2
be
by 5 into 20,
16.
16.
16.
The
Girls gave the
16.
first answer, so girls won the race. Girls won the competition. Good. पीयूष कहाँ है बेटा? पीयूष, अंश, सार, बेटा गर्ल्स जीत रहे हैं. कम ऑन, आगे बोलो अपने से.
सर मैंने ही आंसर दिया था 12 पहले.
अच्छा नहीं साद, आपके पहले आ गया था एक आंसर. आपका था क्या पहले? श्लोक is-
यस सर.
श्लोक
सर पहले बॉयज ने आंसर दिया था 16.
Okay.
यस सर.
ठीक है, चलो इसमें देख लेते हैं इसमें कौन जीतेगा.
अब फिर बॉयज ने गर्ल्स वाला आंसर दिया.
वो यही पॉइंट था, इसलिए गर्ल्स जीत गए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. कोई कम टू क्वेश्चन
The
नंबर
red one is boys or blue one is boys.
For the new competition, it will be different. Now, multiply and express as a mixed fraction. A. Step number 1. Step number 1. Note it down. Step number 1 में क्या करना है? सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन को समझो. 3 into 5 by 1 by 5. Step number 2. Second step. Convert this mixed fraction into proper or improper fraction.
Proper. Improper.
Improper.
It will be always improper.
By 5.
Remember, always improper.
26 by 5.
Third step. Third step में क्या करना है?
Multiply 3 with 26.
Multiply 3 with 26. The answer will be 78 by 5.
या ऊपर वाले को ही मल्टीप्लाई करना है. 3 6 8
And
78
from the
by
mixed
5.
fraction will be 15 by 15 3 by 5.
यार
After dividing, it will be 15 by 33 7.
yes
3 5.
yes Siddhant. Now 78 by 5. Now the question is convert into mixed fraction. Mixed fraction में कैसे करेंगे? So you need to divide it. 5 ones are 5. The remainder will be 28. Then 5 5s are 25. The remainder will be 3. So
So the answer will be 15 3 by 5.
okay. Always remember, यहाँ पे एक टर्म आएगा, यहाँ पे एक टर्म आएगा, यहाँ पे एक टर्म आएगा. जो नीचे वाला टर्म है वो आपका क्या है? डिवाइसर पार्ट 5. आपका रिमाइंडर यहाँ पे आएगा. एंड द क्वेश्चन पार्ट 15 15 3 by 5. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Sir. Yes, sir.
Show me the thumbs up. Please show me the thumbs up. Okay. Now ready for the competition?
Sir, but how can we write the mixed fraction in the chat box?
Yes, sir.
You write like this now. Same. 3.
सर हमें डायरेक्ट मिक्स फ्रैक्शन बताना है या पहले वो बताना है फिर मिक्स फ्रैक्शन?
Direct mixed fraction बताओ, आप आंसर बताओ. See, first you write the quotient, then you write the remainder, then you write the divisor. Okay?
Sir, and this slash.
Slash भी चलेगा, slash भी चलेगा. मैं समझ जाऊंगा. Competition के लिए ready? Let's see who
Yes,
wins the
sir.
race.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are ready.
Boys and girls. Now, जो मैं आपको कलर दूंगा बॉयज के सामने में, जो आपको मैं कलर दूंगा बॉयज के सामने में, वो जो भी कलर रहेगा वो वाले कलर के जो क्वेश्चंस रहेंगे गर्ल्स करेंगे. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ आई पुट लाइक दिस, ये कलर, एंड आई पुट लाइक दिस, तो ये कलर वाले क्वेश्चंस कौन करेंगे? गर्ल्स. एंड इफ आई सो ब्लैक वाले क्वेश्चंस कौन करेगा?
Boys.
बॉयज.
Boys.
ऑल द बेस्ट. All the best. And one more condition. I'm giving you 2 questions. See, girls के लिए ये दोनों, फिर boys के लिए ये दोनों. अगर दिया मैंने, तो दोनों के आंसर्स आएंगे तभी आप लिख सकते हो चैट बॉक्स में. अगर सिंगल क्वेश्चन का आंसर आएगा तो you will be disqualified. Okay, all the best.
सर
Ready?
जैसे एक का आंसर लिख के कॉमा डाल के दूसरे का
मुझे
आंसर.
बताओ
हाँ,
मुझे
कॉमा
क्या
डाल के दूसरा वाला.
स्टार्टिंग से मैंने थोड़ा लेट ज्वाइन किया.
Meera, I have done the recording. You can get it from the YouTube channel.
So, which pen is for boys? Color. Which
Bata-
color is this for?
All the best. All the best. All the best. All the best.
Sir, then how will I give this exam?
Meera, it is not an exam. Same thing. It is a
Sir, the boy's color is black. Yeah, brown.
Sir, what is the boy's color?
आप आइडेंटिफाई करो, मैंने अभी बताया था ऑपोजिट वाला जो रहेगा गर्ल्स को जो मिलेगा वो कलर आपका. मीरा, प्लीज म्यूट योरसेल्फ एवरीवन. मीरा, are you there बेटा? Come on boy, come on boy, come on girl, come on.
Sir, C is 15 3/4.
No. You don't need to say in words. You need to answer in the chat box by typing it. I don't want your audio answer.
So I gave the answer of the both.
Just wait. Who gave it first?
Sir, it's hard to type.
Yeah, you need to type the answer. Reeth, 25 1/3 and 19 1/2. Okay, Reeth. Sarthak gave at the same time. See, 12:26, 12:26. Okay.
Sir,
But
2
Sarthak-
सेकंड का फर्क था.
नहीं बेटा. Sakleen also gave.
सर सब लोगों ने 26 में दिया है.
हाँ, सब यूसेन बोल्ट बन गए थे अभी. Good, very good. But still, Reeth is ahead. But boys won the competition because more number of boys have given the answer at the same time. That's why.
Yes.
गर्ल्स का देखो सेम टाइम पे दिया ना आंसर. किसी को नहीं समझा, किसी को डाउट, एनीवन हु इज हैविंग एनी डाउट, नहीं समझा बेटा, टेल मी. कि सर नहीं समझा है मुझे बताइए. एनीवन?
Sir, everything understood.
Very good. Come on, boys, come on. Very
Sir,
good.
we've understood
Next
everything.
competition you won against the girls. Very good. Come on.
Yes,
Next
sir.
competition. Be ready for the next competition.
Sir, आंसर फर्स्ट तो मैंने दिया था ना.
हाँ तो बेटा बॉयज ने भी उस सेम टाइम पे 3 लोगों ने आंसर दिए, लेकिन गर्ल्स ने एक भी नहीं दिया ना, तो बॉयज. ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर नेक्स्ट कंपटीशन. समीक्षा ने थोड़ा लेट दिया. गुड समीक्षा, गुड. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. सी 1/2. फर्स्ट स्टेप नंबर 1. इट्स 1/2. ओके. ऑफ फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन निकालना है मुझे. क्या है? 2 3/4. ओके. स्टेप 1 क्लियर टू एवरीवन? स्टेप नंबर
Yes,
1
sir.
clear? ओके. नाउ स्टेप नंबर 2.
Yes, sir.
मतलब क्या होता है? मल्टीप्लिकेशन, डिवाइडेशन पार्ट और एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन. व्हिच इट मींस व्हाट?
Division.
Sir, division and last number will be reciprocal.
नो, ऑफ का मतलब क्या होता है? अभी मैंने बताया थोड़ी देर पहले.
Multiplication.
Multiplication.
रिमेंबर,
Multiplication.
प्रॉब्लम्स में भी हमें ऑफ ही आने वाला है. नाउ थर्ड पार्ट इज 2 3/4. ओके, आपको यहाँ से पता है सबसे पहले किसको कन्वर्ट करना है प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में, मिक्स
So mixed fraction. Sir, the answer is divided.
Okay, and step number 4. Now step number 4. Remember, एक चीज याद रखना, 1/2 into 11/4 जब है, I told you that day also कि ऊपर में मल्टीप्लाई होगा, नीचे वाला पार्ट नीचे मल्टीप्लाई होगा. So it will be what? 1 into 11 upon 2 into 4. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So it will be what? 11 upon 8.
Yes, sir.
11/8.
8. Any doubt,
Then
better?
after converting in mixed fraction, it
No,
will be
sir.
1 3/8.
Yeah. Good. 1 3/8. No need to convert into mixed fraction because वो समझ जाएगा. Okay. Step number 1 is clear. Step number 2, step number 3, step number 4. Done?
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, beta?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
What she's saying? Samiksha? Okay. For boys, the question is this, and for girls, it is a question number 4, third. Last question for girls, and it is for boys. Solve. Let's see. Reeth, come on. Who will be?
Sir, I gave the answer.
Sir, I've given the answer. Sir, I've given the answer.
Yeah. Good.
Yes, sir, I also gave.
Who gave it first?
Sir, first I gave.
Given the
Siddharth.
answer.
Sir, for I gave Naman.
Very good. Very
No,
good.
sir.
The boys won.
Was given
Sir,
Sir,
Siddharth.
third I was.
Sir, boys
Sir,
won.
third I was.
Anshu.
Sir, I was first.
Sir,
Okay,
I was
good.
Sir,
third.
I was first.
सिद्धांत ने
Sir, I was
first.
third.
Okay,
Sir, I
okay.
was
Sir, I
Okay,
was first.
okay, I got it. Okay. Now, question number 8. Question number 8. Imagine Vidya and Pratap. Instead of Vidya, remember the name Piyush and Advait. Okay. They went for a picnic. मम्मी बहुत परेशान थे उनको पिकनिक के लिए भेज दिए क्योंकि ऑलरेडी ऑनलाइन चालू है क्लासेस एंड इज ऑलवेज डिस्टर्बिंग हिज मदर. सो रिमेंबर कि जब वो पिकनिक जा रहे तो मदर गेव अ वाटर बॉटल टू देम एंड ऑल्सो व्हाट दैट मर्सिडीज कार. आप लोगों को बहुत पसंद है ना. So how much liter of water she gave when they went to the picnic?
So 5 liter.
5 liters of water.
Sir, 5 liter.
चलो मैंने इतना बड़ा कैन लिया एक. इसमें मेरे मम्मी ने 5 liters of milk या वाटर दे दिया.
सर
चलो
ये तो झाड़ू जैसा दिख रहा है.
बेटा देखने की कलर रहनी चाहिए. Okay, 5 liters of water is there. Now Vidya is there and one is Pratap. विद्या ने कितना पानी पी लिया इसमें से?
2/5.
2/5.
2/5. Now, what do you mean by 2/5? 2/5 of the water. See, off came आया. Off मतलब क्या होता है कभी भी बताओ मुझे.
Sir means
Multiplication.
Multiplication.
2 liters.
Of the water. Water.
The
Total water.
answer is 2 liters.
2 liters.
2 liters.
The answer is 2 liters.
I just
2
asked you the
liter.
question. I asked you the question. What was the water given by my mother?
5 liter.
Yeah.
5 liters.
5 liter.
Wait. Just wait. And then the first part is still here. So go to first question. How much water did Vidya drink? Okay. Now step number 1. Find out the total liter of
2/5.
total liter of water.
Liter.
5.
2
5
by
liter.
5 multiplied by 5 liters. That is 2 liters.
2
Great.
liters.
5 by
Sir.
5 by 5 minus 2 by 5.
Good.
So 2 liters.
So step number 1.
It's 2 liter. 2 liter.
Now 2 into 5 by 5. It will be how much?
2 liters.
2 liter.
2 liters.
Those who have given the right answer will be getting Mercedes from me. But मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है अभी फिलहाल. जब आएंगे तो दूंगा. 2 liters. Next question. चलो 2 liters.
Sir, 3 by 5.
No,
3
just
by 5 liters. Sir.
3 by 5.
Sir, 3 by 5 liter.
5 liters.
what
3 by
fraction of the total
3
quantity
by
of
5.
3 by 5 liters.
3 by
5
5
liters.
liters.
3 by 5 liter or 3 liters.
बट एग्जाम में बेटा आप ऐसे डायरेक्ट लिखोगे तो आपको मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे ना. यू नीड टू शो द प्रूफ. आपके पास कैसे आया? सी
So
We can
fraction
subtract
of
5 by
water
5 from 2
consumed
by 5 and we get 3 by 5. Thus the answer 3 by 5 liters.
okay. First method, if you minus 5 minus 2 by 5 also you'll get no
3
In
by
that
5.
case, wait. Do one thing. Simple. 5 liters था. विद्या ने कितना ले लिया? 2 liters ले
2
लिया.
liters.
2 liters.
3
Sir,
liters.
1 minus 2 by 5 minus 3 by 5.
Yeah.
We can do by that also.
That trick, with that trick also we can get the answer. But he asked the answer in fraction. So it is 3 by 5 liter with the water drink by Pratap. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. See, I told you. जब भी ऐसे दो मल्टीप्लिकेशन वाले पार्ट्स अलग अलग आते हैं तो व्हाट आई टोल्ड यू, ऊपर वाला पार्ट upper part will be like this and the down part will be like numerator and denominator will be getting two different parts. Step number 1, first you need to identify the upper part, that is numerator part. Second step is to identify denominator part. Any doubt?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Then directly go for a competition. Let's go for a competition. Ready?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Beta girls, you need
They're
to
always
practice.
ready.
Girls match हार रहे हैं हमसे boys से. Come on. Read. Okay. I need to tell you some properties. After that, I'll go for the competition. Okay. Example this.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
So after this chapter, you will teach third chapter, that is data handling, right?
I'll just check that split up. I'll let you know by
Okay.
today evening. Okay. Now, see, they have taken two numbers, 2 into 3 and 4 into 5. So step number 1 के हिसाब से मैंने बताया था what we need to do. We need to go for the
We
numerator
have to multiply.
and then for the
and get out the answer.
Yes, Mira?
Can we do the
So the
base
answer
same?
will be 8 by 15.
Sir, 8 by
Read, just wait, read, just wait.
8 by
What
15.
you said?
8 by 15.
Just wait, Mira.
Sir, can we do the base same and take out the answer?
Pardon?
Can we do the base same and take out the answer?
Why we need to do the base same in the multiplication part? We don't need it. We know we need it only in addition and subtraction. We only need to make the base same in the addition and subtraction बेटा. जब भी multiplication आएगा आपको direct multiply करना है. Numerator वाला part numerator से, denominator वाला part denominator से. Okay, so 2 4s are 8 and 3 5s are
15.
15.
the first property. जो मेरा 8 by 15 है, remember, जो मेरा product आता है इसमें, it will be always less than the both the fraction. It may be 2 by 3 or it may be the second one, that is 4 by 5. ये first property आप याद रखो. इस दो numbers का whenever we take the products of two numbers and whatever the answer it is we are getting it is always less than each of the fraction. Aditya, is my screen visible to you now?
No, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
No,
Yes,
sir.
yes,
Sir.
yes, sir.
From the next time you need to answer in the chat box, yes or no. Yes, but any doubt?
Sir, can we answer by unmuting?
No,
Sir,
not in the
can you
competition.
answer?
Not in the competition. Okay. Now same for this thing. 1 by 5 into 2 by 7. Tell me numerator में first part में क्या आएगा पहले? Numerator में क्या आएगा? 1 into
1 into 2.
and down denominator.
Sir,
5 by 7.
7.
Sir, the
So the answer will be 2 by
35.
37.
35.
2 by 35.
2 by 35 is the answer.
Okay. Now I'm giving you option number 1. Option number 2. Tell me the correct option in the chat box.
Sir, you can raise the poll.
Which is the correct answer?
So first one, 2 by
First one,
35.
2 by
Less
35.
than 2 by 7.
First
One.
one.
So the
2 by
The
7.
first one. 2 by 35.
अभी मैंने थोड़ी देर पहले कुछ बताया था. The product of two numbers is always less than the fraction. आपका fraction क्या था यहाँ पे?
So second one.
Yeah, 1 by 5 and 2 by 7 थे ना. आपका जो भी product आएगा, it will be always less than that. Means 2 by 7 यहाँ पे greater है.
वही मैं बोल रही थी.
2 by 7 is the greater one.
Yeah. Okay. One more. Let's go for one more competition. Have you seen movie like Bahubali? Bahubali.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
Bahubali
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
We like Bahubali for the competition. Okay, come on. So I'm giving you 3 by 5 and into 4 by 8. Tell me first, what is the first step? What do you need to do in the first
So
step?
we have to first multiply.
So 3 into 4
Into
numerator
4
and
five
denominator.
into
And 5 into 8.
5 into
The
8.
answer will
Answer will be 12 by 40.
5
12 by
12 by 40.
40. 12
Okay,
by
giving
40.
you-
So
Okay,
the
I'm
answer is
40.
12 by 40.
giving you two options. Tell me the correct answer. Okay.
So 3 by 5 is greater.
So 3 by 5 is greater.
So 3 by 5.
3 by 5 is greater.
5 is
The
greater.
second one is right.
Second one.
Second one is right.
4 by 8 is greater. Sir, 4 by 8 is second one.
Both the answers are correct.
Sir, first one. Second one.
Both the answers are correct. Both the answers are correct. I told you either this fraction comes or either this fraction comes. Both are always greater than 12 by 40. The product. Okay. Okay. One more. 2 by 3 into 4 by 9 and take it like 27. Now tell me which one is the correct option. Yeah.
Option
Option one.
Sir, one is correct.
One.
Good.
One is
Yes,
correct.
sir.
Option one is
Very
the
good.
option one.
Option one.
Option
Nine
one
is
is
correct.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Acha. First property is it clear to you?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It was in the case of proper fraction. You know proper fraction में कौन सा number बढ़ा रहता है numerator या denominator?
Sir,
Denominator is greater.
Denominator is greater in proper fraction.
Yes, Samiksha. Any doubt? Samiksha.
Sir, Samiksha is asking me something.
Sir, she's saying yes, sir. She's having doubt.
Yeah, beta.
Yes, sir.
Samiksha, बोलिए. What is the doubt, beta? Unmute yourself.
Sir, she didn't understand.
Sir, she's saying she didn't understand question number
Question
8.
This one. Till that time, others, I'm giving you a question, solve it.
Yes.
Yes, sir, give it.
Others, till the time you solve this question. 42 by 8 into 56 by 7. Simplify into smallest form. And you will answer in the chat box. Okay. Samiksha, beta, Vidya and Pratap both are brother and sister. They went for a picnic and mother gave a water bottle to them. उनके पास टोटल पानी जो अवेलेबल है वो 5 liters of water अवेलेबल है. Okay. Now, out of that, Vidya consumed 2 by 5 of the water. Now remember, of always means multiplication. मतलब जितना भी वाटर दिया है मम्मी ने उसमें से 2 by 5 of the part is drank by Vidya. So आप अगर multiplication करोगे तो you'll get 5 into 2 upon 5, that will be equal to 10 by 5, that will be 2 only. 2 liters. So विद्या ने कितना वाटर ड्रिंक किया 2 liters. Now तो प्रताप को जो कितना अमाउंट ऑफ वाटर बचेगा प्रताप के लिए 5 में से 2 गया तो it will be 3 liters. But the question is asked in the form of fraction. So fraction will be 3 upon the total amount, that is 5. Okay. Beta, simplify 2652 into 56. I asked you to simplify. Samiksha, is it clear now, beta? Ishpita, very good, beta. Yeah, Saad. Okay, beta, good. Coming to the next question. So next property. Now, मुझे बताओ जो प्रोडक्ट था मेरा, प्रोडक्ट ऑफ प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शंस. वेरी गुड, आदित्य सिद्धांत, गुड बेटा. Now, the product of two proper fractions was always less than each of the fraction. But in the case of improper fraction, किसको बोलते हैं हम लोग improper fraction? The numerator is bigger or
Sir, when
Numerator is greater than denominator.
then we say it is an improper fraction.
When numerator is bigger and the denominator is smaller.
Okay. Just wait. I'm taking this number 6 by 5 into 4 by 3. First check it. It is proper fraction or improper fraction? Both of them are. Proper, improper.
Sir, they are
Improper.
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 Sir, they are
Proper.
Improper.
So it will be
Improper.
24 by 15. It will be 24 by
Improper fraction. 15.
By
15. Always remember improper में उल्टा होता है. 24 by improper में what happens? Whenever the product which is coming out, it will be always greater than the fractions given. It will be always greater than the fractions given. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And यही अगर proper रहता तो the product is always less than that fraction. Clear?
It will be 15.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it will be 50. Good. Now, last property, then we'll be heading towards the exercise. The product obtained is less than the improper. Whenever we are multiplying two numbers, that is, one is proper fraction and improper. See, 2 by 3 is proper or improper? Tell me.
Proper
Sir, it's
fraction.
proper fraction.
Proper
fraction.
Proper
Sir,
Five?
7.5 is an improper
7 by
fraction.
5 is
Sir, improper.
fraction.
Okay.
Sir, improper.
Now,
The answer is proper
wait.
fraction.
Proper में जो product रहता है, whatever the product we are getting, it is smaller than the fraction, than the each fraction or greater than the fraction. Proper में.
Smaller.
Smaller. Sir,
Smaller,
smaller.
sir.
Now, do you play
And
PlayStation?
improper
Do you
we
play
get
PlayStation?
greater.
No, sir.
Yes, sir. I have
Remember the trick PS. Remember the trick PS. P for
Yes,
proper
I
and S for smaller number. It will be always smaller. Okay? And improper will be greater.
Sir, greater.
Greater.
Sir,
We are
it will
having-
be greater.
We are having one game IGI. IGI, you know IGI Striker? IGI?
Yes, sir, I know it.
Yes, sir,
Yeah.
I know.
So remember on the trick PS, proper means in proper fractions, the product will be always smaller than each of the fraction. And in the case of improper, it will be greater than each of the fraction. Okay? Any doubt?
sir. No, sir.
So we
No,
need
sir.
exercise
No,
two.
sir.
No, sir,
The
no
next
doubt.
part. Okay, I'm giving you one homework. See, this one. What it will be? The first part, it will be what? Proper or improper? Which one is improper?
Improper.
I got 2 by 8.
Sir,
Sir,
it's
improper.
Which one?
Improper.
6 by 5 or 2 by 8? Which number is improper? This one or this one?
6
by
by 5
five.
is improper and
5 by 5 is improper and 2 by 8 is proper.
2 by 5 is improper.
Good. Very good. Very good. Great. Can you tell me, we are having, I'll take 2 more minutes. Okay. Can you solve this? That find first, second question. Can you solve by your own?
Yes, sir, we can
So
solve.
do we have to tell the answer?
No, it's homework for you. All the best.
Okay, sir. Sir, it's easy.
Easy. Sir, it's easy.
Easy peasy. Very
ठीक है बेटा, आज जीत गए. चलो.
Which question?
Girls से आज जीत गए बेटा. Girls next. इसमें फिर से कंपटीशन देंगे आप लोगों को.
Sir, but boys are have win.
एक ही बार.
Yes, sir, boys have
ओके.
beaten.
प्रैक्टिस करके आना सब. कल देखते हैं कौन जीतेगा. बाय बाय.
Yes, sir.
सर आप कौन सा क्वेश्चन लेने वाले हो?
Exercise 2.3.
Sir, पूरा लोगे ना?
Yeah. Just show me a thumbs up if you enjoyed the class.
Yes, sir, enjoyed.
There are others. Yeah, good. Thank you.
सर
Bye
आपको
bye.
टेस्ट देने वाले थे ना?
हाँ बेटा, टेस्ट में ना आई थिंक सो नेक्स्ट वीक में पक्का लूंगा.
सर टेस्ट नहीं टेस्ला.
टेस्ला बेटा भेजता हूँ
गाड़ी का
गाड़ी.
नाम.
मोदी जी रोड अच्छे बना देंगे तो मैं भेजूंगा आपके पास गाड़ी पक्का.
सर लैम्बोर्गिनी भी चलेगी.
मीरा, एनी डाउट मीरा?
सर टेस्ला इज मोर देन नंबर.
सर आप मेरे को कौन सी कार देने वाले हो?
बेटा आप ले
सर टेस्ला एक ऐसी कार है जिसकी सीट ऐसे हो जाती है और लेट सकते हैं.
सर बुगाटी वेरॉन.
आई गिव यू ऑल्टो 400. सबसे सस्ती.
Yes, sir, give Alto.
ऑल्टो. ओके, बाय बाय. थैंक यू.
Sir, me.
Bye,
Sir,
sir.
what about me?
जस्ट
Sir, give your match mind to me. Sir, give your match mind to me.
No, sir, said it. Already I have said.
Okay, sir, give your physics
And
Sir,
one
mind
more
to
I'd
thing,
like
one
a
more
school
thing,
with
one more
my
thing.
name on it.
You need to complete your copies and you need to send it to me on my mail ID. Whatever the mail ID I've shared with you, you need to send it there.
Okay, sir.
Okay?
Sir, once again, share the mail ID on the group.
I'll share. Somebody put me a message in the WhatsApp group in 7C Maths, then I'll put it.
Sir, you
Okay,
put
sir.
the records in your
Yeah,
YouTube
I've
channel.
recorded the class. I'll put there in my YouTube channel. Bye bye.
Bye, sir.
But sir, thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye.